how even this turning inward is a way of projecting outward. So
Mhm.
there's a very distinct feeling of connection. Even if it's not actually you in the outdoors, it's still your very cellular structure is a part of that same moisture that's happening outside. Just because we have a little bit more of a protected environment doesn't mean that we're not connected with everything in our environment, one breath at a time.
And as far as recovering from surgeries and feeling a little less mobile than you've been before, they've done studies on people where they'll have one group of people lift weights and another group of people visualize lifting weights. And it turns out that just visualizing your body moving, gives you a 30% improvement on just doing the thing. So even visualizing, your body's listening. Our brains are excellent at communicating to our bodies. So this is valuable. It's valuable for our bodies.
That's right. It doesn't have to necessarily be the full motion of something. It could be the imagined motion. It could be the sitting still and doing some of it, like letting do fire your muscles, but you don't have to necessarily go through the whole activity.
Mhm.
So that example was about weightlifters, and both of them were weightlifting. And when they took a break, some of them just did whatever, listen to their music or something. The others visualized continuing lifting weights. Those that continued visualizing even during the breaks showed that 30% improvement. So there you go. If you're thinking of walking and you actually visualize what those motions feel like in your body, you are actually taking your body to a different level.
Yeah.